Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Pat Skeets here from meandmycricket.com. I created that website, and so today I'm going to do a 2-page Christmas layout. I'm still working on them. So it's a large Christmas album. Anyway, these are the photos that I'm going to use today. So the paper I'm using, I grabbed a bit of paper from this sheet of paper this is the Paper Studio Christmas Confetti, and I just cut a piece off of there for a patch. And I'm going to use a few embellishments, just some from Creative Memories Christmas Spirit Collection. That's this year's. And this paper, Ho 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 Shiver Me Timbers. I'm going to use this paper, Imagine This, from Party Me Hardy collection, American Crafts. I'm using this side for frames. And then I'm also using borders from this pad, a lot of borders, and I'm not sure which pad I cut out several of the borders to create this page, so I'm not sure which album this paper comes from. Let me see if I wrote it on the back. No such luck. I usually do. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, I'm doing borders. I love this truck border. I wanted to use the truck for a theme. They're very popular right now, so I'm going to use, that's why I did this. But then the truck wasn't enough, so I needed to add more, so I added another piece of border. So this will be lined up like that, and this like this. I'm placing the dog photo here, this photo up here, and this one over here. So I did do frames for the photos. I'm just shadowing this, matting it with a plain, no frame. I'm just using a plain mat. It is foil paper though, so it does pop a bit. It probably won't show. It won't show that well on camera. There we go, cute puppy. I did do frames here, and I think this is from the first few years cartridge. It'll be posted below. I'll post a Design Space link so that you can copy this page if you like it. I'd also like to let you know I have two Facebook groups. One of them is meandmycricket.com fans. There's a link below to that. I'd love to see your pages posted in my group. And you'll get lots of ideas from there too. And plus I do post Design Space links for all the pages. Right now I'm doing this photo in this frame, but I'm going to mat it and put this mat on top. So, okay. I finally decided to do a video on my process on how I create a page in Design Space. So I did that and posted it recently. So if you're having a little trouble with Design Space, I suggest you watch it. All right. Here we go. I like to frame photos. I think it makes the pages look great. Just looks more professional, more like a magazine or a photo album, more artistic. Okay, now I did banners for up here. I could have used my Creative Memories banner punch. It would do all 3 sizes. But I've been using it a lot lately, so I decided to just cut some out on the Cricut. All right, now what I am going to do is I did cut out a truck with a tree in it, and I thought I'm going to cover this truck with that, and I put it on foam pads to lift it up. So I'm putting this truck here, and I did do a snowman because there's cute little snowmen here all over this border, so I did cut him out. I embossed him, his hat and his scarf, with a knitted looking embossing folder, and I'm just going to tuck him back here. Well, I have to keep his arms on the page. And then I decided it just wasn't quite enough for me. There. So I'm adding some border here of the snowflakes because that's the pattern on her pajamas. So I'm going to add that here as well. Just brightens it up a little bit. Okay, I originally put this title up here, but I don't really like it like that. So I'm going to put it under the dog. Or somewhere over here. Not sure. Yeah, I think I like it under the dog. Like that. And then on this side, it just was, this hat is not showing up, the red hat on the red paper. So I decided to just cut out a piece of paper with these colors and place it underneath so that now it'll show up a little better. There we are. I also want to do some embellishments up on these banners up here. So I think I'm going to overlap these a bit. And from my Creative Memories stash here, I decided I'm going to do this Santa Claus. He's cute. She's still, she believes in Santa here. And then I guess I'm going to use this ornament. What else can I use here? Oh, I found this. I had this in another stash. A little sprig of, I'd say that it's mistletoe, but mistletoe is white berries. And I think I'll put this holly, I'll put this on the corner of this photo. Right there. All right, I think I'm done. So I hope you like this page. I hope you're getting ideas from me. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe below.